Looking for a hassle-free way to connect your trailer's brake controls? The custom pre-wired Infiniti Nissan brake control harness promises a straightforward, plug-and-play solution that fits seamlessly with your vehicle's factory tow package. No more guessing games with wiring or worrying about short circuits. Just a clean, reliable connection that works right out of the box. I've seen plenty of brake control installations, and what stands out about this harness is how it mirrors the original equipment manufacturer, OEM style wiring. That means it's built specifically for models like the 2004 to 2011 QX56, 2004 to 2012 Armada, 2005 to 2012 Frontier Pickup, 2005 to 2012 Pathfinder, 2004 to 2012 Titan Pickup, and 2005 to 2012 Xterra equipped with a factory tow package. Because it's custom pre-wired, it reduces the risk of short circuits and cross-wiring that can cause headaches or worse, safety issues. Plus, the quick plug-in style makes installation a breeze. One user even mentioned it took just 10 minutes, with most of that time spent deciding where to mount the unit. If your vehicle is already pre-wired for towing, this harness is worth a look. It simplifies the entire brake control setup, saving you time and avoiding costly wiring mistakes. Even if your vehicle isn't fully pre-wired, resources like YouTube tutorials can guide you through the additional steps. When you're ready to upgrade your towing setup with confidence and ease, this custom pre-wired brake control harness offers a reliable, factory-style solution that fits your Nissan or Infiniti perfectly.